Hello everyone, I am back to share how I am prepping my hair to get my hair braided. It's been over a year since I had any braids simply because I had a hair transplant done, but now I want to try braids. So basically I start by really rinsing my hair, and I use the African Pride Moisture Miracle shampoo, and I truly use that to work that through my hair because right here I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks, so I really had to clean it. And then I proceed by using the Jamaican black castor oil conditioner, and I pass that through my hair, make sure it gets to all the strands of my hair. And after that I just braid it. I put it like in a really big braids, and I braid it and I cover my hair. When my hair is all like dry, not completely dry but like damp, I use the African Pride Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream conditioner. I add that to my hair, and then I proceed with the Salon Selective Heat Protect because I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair, and I know I did hit myself with the bottle. So I do spray that onto all the strands of my hair, and I use this blow dry that I had for like years. I have another blow dryer, but for some reason I keep going back to this old blow dryer. I don't know why. And here's my hair completely blow dried. Right here, I'm not blow drying it to have it like very straight because it's gonna go in braids. And then I proceed by like brushing my hair because I need my hair to be like completely detangled. My hair was already detangled, but I'm just making sure there's no knot left. And then I finish it by using the Kemet Biologic hair balm, and I put that on my hair. It's just like some sort of grease. You can call it a hair balm if you want to, but to me it just looked like any good old grease. And I put my hair in these bantu knots, and they're ready for braids. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.